Hi. Yeah. You want to come work with me? Today we're going to be sharpening a chainsaw. What does that sound like? Does that sound fun? Does that sound fun? Sounds fun to me. I want to go sharpen a chainsaw. Don't you? I want to. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, I know. Ooh, I almost stole my seat. Okay. So today, we'll be sharpening my personal MS 170. It's not an old chainsaw, probably needs cleaning too. Been using it a while. So let's get started. There are so many chainsaw tutorials out there, so I'm not gonna do this long. I mean, this is time lapse. So yeah, I know. I gotta go get myself a marker. Whoa, okay, that sounded. Boom, got a marker. Okay, so you probably already know this, but you're gonna mark the sawtooth that you start on. It's gotta be with you. Wait, yeah, with you. Oh, haven't done this in so long. Yeah, it's with you, it's not against. I'm gonna mark this one right here. Cover the whole thing. Boom. Let's get sharpening. So I just finished sharpening. You just saw the time lapse. Hopefully it was pretty good. My friend Finn has been sitting with me the whole time, because he always does, because he is the best. Hey, you think we should clean it? Should we clean it? Oh, it's gonna be loud, you know. You won't like it. You don't like the you don't like it. What is that? What was that? I mean, I don't think there's a cat out there that likes the air compressor. There's no cat out there. I mean, we'll take it off and see what it looks like. I hope it looks pretty good. Woo! What are you doing on my table? What are you doing? I know you're doing something. Wasn't that tight? Oh yeah, I remember. I was like, that wasn't tight at all. It's not supposed to be tight, but you know. You know. See how bad it is under here? And whoopsies. I love this saw, because you don't even have to hold the bar. Okay. That's pretty bad. I mean, it's not pretty bad, but you know what I mean. It's not healthy. Okay, let's go get some cleaning stuff. He's rubbing his ears in the sawdust. Sawdust and oil. Probably need to put more oil in there. I've been cutting a lot of stuff down, man. Okay, so I got a pretty big flathead, some picks and stuff. This is not bad. I bet I could just use this right here. Boom, look at all that crud. Just goes away, man. Look at that. I don't know where my nylon brush went. Wait. Okay, let me get this flat. I use these picks all the time. They're so nice. Guess I'll do a time lapse of this too. Okay, so just got done cleaning. Look at that. That looks pretty good to me. Off camera, I put the bar on, cleaned out the bar pretty good. So, isn't that right? I think I'm doing good, right? Yeah. Okay. So, now what I gotta do is put this guard back on here, which has got junk in it from me cleaning that. Boom. Okay, so stupid simple. It's not that hard. You just slip it on there and boom. Hand tighten it. Whoa, almost slid. Okay. This chain, man, I think I did that perfect. I did that perfect. Okay, no way I did that perfect. First try, perfect try. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Let's go try it out. Yeah, let's go try this out. See you out there. Okay, so I'm just gonna start it. Yep, you won't like this. You gotta go over there. Okay, you won't like this. I know. Oh, I hate doing this when he's around here. And flick it up to the thing that makes it go, yeah. Man, it wasn't going up. That was weird. Seems pretty good. Didn't let it warm up. Probably shouldn't have done that. What are you doing from over there? Whew. Okay. That's my little video on me sharpening my chainsaw. I don't know. Just wanted to do it. Had to do it. Had to be done. You know what? Let me go get my oil real quick. Oh, why is my bike right here? Oh, God. Who needs a funnel? Well, I'm gonna regret myself, like big time. Yep, nope, actually no. Who needs a funnel? Well, almost just overflowed it. Whew, that was a close one, right? Right, kitty? That was a close one. Yeah. Pushing the chair out of the way. I see that. Oh, that scared me. Back in order. Boom. Quick maintenance on saw. Easy. If a 12-year-old can do it, anyone can do it, man. Isn't that how it works? 12-year-old can do it, you can do it. Well, you'll be seeing this more often, that's for sure. I'm gonna be posting mowing videos with this guy. Well, actually, probably not because it's fall. Yeah, I know. Okay. See ya in the next video. Hopefully. It's probably, I'll just give you a heads up. It's probably me cleaning this carburetor right here from the last video, and it's probably me. Here, let me go run over there for you. Here. Or it's probably me putting a new wiring harness on this ATV. Oh, it's a sneak peek. Look at that, sneak peek. Oh, you're not allowed to see it. Not yet. It's gonna be a future video. Hopefully this week, maybe next week, maybe even tomorrow. Who knows? Probably not. But yeah, that's it with today's video. See ya.